Suzuki's iconic Jimny, celebrated for its character and pocket-sized off-road capability, has long been one of the models that never got tangled in the brand's collaborative dance with Toyota. Over the years, that partnership has produced a parade of badge-engineered cars, swapping platforms and technology between the two automakers. The Jimny, cherished for its individuality and old-school toughness, remained a pure Suzuki creation. Until now, Japanese tuner Il Garage has chosen to seal the fissure with an inventive twist, crafting a conversion kit that lets a Suzuki Jimny assume a Toyota-inflected silhouette, while staying well within brand demarcations. The upshot is a one-off re-envisioning of the off-roader, endowing it with a fresh visual persona through a clever face swap overhaul, christened CH-Amp. The CH-Amp kit lifts its design DNA from the Toyota Hilux Champ, that pickup that's garnered a quasi-cult following for its plain-spoken engineering and workhorse charm. Across markets, it goes by an assortment of names: Ranga, Stout Tamarau. Regardless of the badge, the Champ's silhouette and underlying concept form the conceptual cornerstone of this conversion. Its recent tie-in with Toyota's brand-new entry-level Land Cruiser FJ further underscores its relevance, connecting the Jimny's styling to one of the buzzed-about modern off-roaders. At the core of the CH-Amp makeover sits a redesigned fascia that channels Toyota's utilitarian design ethos. The Jimny's once genial rounded face now adopts assertive expression, complete with rectangular headlights, a boxy grille, and a split bumper. This fresh styling not nods to the Hilux Champ, also to the broader family of Toyota utility vehicles celebrated for their dependability and rugged, no-frills simplicity. Each element has been laboriously shaped to nestle within the Jimny's footprint, lending a vibe that unmistakably echoes Toyota's visual DNA. All the fresh front-end parts roll in swathed in a deep black coat, forging a look that mates with the Jimny's angular fenders and the roof's contrasting shade. This understated color move heightens the vibe while supplying a counterbalance to the tuner's broader stance. On the demo model, the tough yet stylish character gets a lift thanks to aftermarket wheels wrapped in off-road tires, a pairing that sharpens both form and function. Equipped with 1.5-inch, 38mm lowering springs, the suspension drops the Jimny into aggressive posture that looks right at home on city streets, yet its unmistakable off-road DNA remains on display. The exterior revamp also boasts whimsical non-functional touches designed to draw eyes at both car meets and off-road rallies. Among them are dummy towing hooks deliberately placed to hint at a purpose-built workhorse, while slipping in a dash of show truck swagger. Though they serve purposes, they play a major role in the vehicle's visual narrative, underscoring the creative liberty tuners relish when they make small yet striking cosmetic tweaks. Inside Il Garage continues the transformation by unveiling a retro-themed package that strikes a balance between flair and modern refinement. The cabin is fitted with bespoke seat covers, selectable in cognac brown or deep charcoal black, where smooth leather is interlaced with braided inserts that evoke a handcrafted feel. These materials do more than look good. They heighten comfort, lend the Jimny an air of luxury that feels surprisingly upscale compared to its rugged origins. In addition, rear storage pockets have been added, showcasing the tuner's attention to practicality and detail. These subtle details blend the cabin's charm with the comforts we now expect. What gives the CH-Amp its pull is the way it rewrites the Jimny's identity without nudging a single bolt. Beneath the skin, the Jimny stays the same, a pocket-sized, go-anywhere, personality-laden workhorse. But the new silhouette whispers the legacy of Toyota's styling canon. Those angular, squared-off panels and the stark geometric vocabulary dress it up convincingly that, from a head-on glance, it could be mistaken for a Land Cruiser or a Hilux offshoot. Nevertheless, the tuner sidesteps any brand confusion by plastering CH Amp in eye-catching red across the grille. That cheeky flourish doubles as a badge and a tongue-in-cheek disclaimer, making it unmistakably clear that this isn't a Toyota collaboration, but a meticulously crafted homage, driven by precision and passion. That latest move throws a spotlight on a yet compelling drift in the aftermarket, the way distinct brand personalities are beginning to merge through bespoke customization. While most tuning outfits stick to squeezing out horsepower or slapping on bodywork, Il Garage chooses an offbeat conceptual path, wielding design language as a sort of visual poetry. The CH Amp kit makes it clear that an aesthetic reimagining can reshape a car's character without mutating its DNA. The Jimny, long celebrated for its chameleon-like adaptability, again proves itself a versatile canvas, ripe for imaginative tinkering. More than a novelty, the CH Amp operates as a quiet commentary on the cultural crossroads where Suzuki and Toyota devotees intersect. Both marques command a loyalty in Japan and abroad, and their vehicles often fill the same market niche: unpretentious, rugged, ready for adventure. By appropriating a slice of Toyota's styling playbook, the Jimny not widens its vocabulary, but also fuses two automotive worlds that have long coexisted, yet rarely collided in this manner. Viewing it through a design lens, the CH Amp's proportions and details feel carefully tuned. The fresh headlights are positioned a bit apart, giving the front end a more confident stance. The grille, with its bars and understated frame, imparts a sturdy robustness, while the split bumper injects a utilitarian flavor reminiscent of classic off-roaders. Putting all these cues together yields a look that comes across as purposeful than gimmicky. A rare find. In the realm of aftermarket conversions, the concept also demonstrates how even the tiniest design nudges can spark a swing in perception. What was once a cute, adventurous mini SUV now radiates the poise and visual gravitas of a workhorse. A lowered suspension paired with tires gives it a stance that straddles retro styling and a street-ready modern swagger. That synthesis of toughness and nostalgia is bound to attract enthusiasts who value both practicality and a distinctive eye-catching aesthetic. Il Garage's CHAP venture stands as a reminder that the inventive automotive design often flourishes beyond the usual boundaries. In an age saturated with electrification and digitalization, this analog declaration of individuality feels strikingly authentic. The project isn't chasing performance or rewriting engineering textbooks. It simply celebrates skill, personal character, and bold aesthetic experimentation. Ultimately, the CHAP conversion endows the Suzuki Jimny with a split personality, a compact vehicle that borrows Toyota's design language while still breathing Suzuki's original character. It feels like a conversation between two schools of thought: Toyota's purpose-driven aesthetics on one side, Suzuki's indefatigable spirit of adventure on the other. The result is a meticulously crafted as tuner culture keeps shifting. Projects like CHAMP serve as a reminder of why passion-driven design matters. They illustrate how nostalgia, imagination, and razor-sharp precision can fuse to reimagine an icon for a wave of enthusiasts. In the case of the Jimny, the result isn't a facelift. It's a reinvention that simultaneously honors two lineages, turning the beloved off-roader into a badge of cross-brand ingenuity and timeless style.